Hi there and welcome. If you are one that microwaves your TV dinners, stop doing that. Especially for those breaded meats like fish or chicken. They come out so crispy using the air fryer. You're not going to get that in your microwave. Also, if you're one that uses your oven, that is totally fine. Using the air fryer is going to cut your cooking time in half. And also, believe it or not, it's going to make your breaded meats crispier. The air fryer that I will be using today is the Cookin 5.8 quart. It is 1700 watts. If your air fryer is different, the cooking times may vary just a little bit. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. We will start off first with our pot pie. I have a chicken pot pie. The directions say we need to cut a slit in the top. Place this into our basket. We are ready to pop this into the air fryer. All right, I have the air fryer set to 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Our 20 minutes is up. Let's check this out and see if it is done. Oh, nice. I just took the pot pie out of the air fryer basket. Just going to show you that this is done. And it's nice and crispy crust. Steaming hot. Let's move on to our chicken TV dinner. You are not going to believe how crispy this chicken is going to turn out in the air fryer. I have the Banquet Mega Meats Original Crispy Chicken with home-style mashed potatoes. On the back here, it says to remove the film, which I will do. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Well, you know what? We're just going to go for it. Pop this into the air fryer basket. All right, into the air fryer basket and into the air fryer we go. Okay, I have the air fryer set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and have the timer set for 25 minutes. A couple things I will do throughout the cooking time is give them mashed potatoes a stir. So here we go. 25 minutes is up and our chicken TV dinner is done. I will plate this up real quick and I will let you hear how crispy that chicken turned out. I'm so excited for you to hear how crispy this chicken turns out in the air fryer. The next time you make a TV dinner or a pot pie, skip the microwave and put it in the air fryer. One thing I would like to point out real quick, if you find that the TV dinner tray will not fit into your air fryer basket, don't worry. Just take out your breaded meats, place them into the air fryer, and this is where the microwave comes in handy to warm up your side dishes. And if you're looking for more air fryer recipes, here's a few more I think you would like to check out next. And as always, I'd like to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.